Good swimming, Rem.
Here comes Buzz and Steel.
The Steel and then the chase. Oh, is there gonna be a chase?
Yeah, what happened?
Chloe, you're so happy that you took Remy's stick after she worked so hard.
It's on now.
Oh.
What? What?
Wait, what was that?
Oh, a Japanese bullfrog, I believe.
I don't know. Oh, she's just retrieving leaves. There was a leaf in the water she needed to get. Just one. Here, Remy, come here. Remy girl! Ready? Ready? Remy! Chloe! Ready? Ready, Chloe? Remy! Go get it! Go get it! Ready? Ouch! Ready? Ready? Go get it! Go get it! Where'd it go, Remy? To the left. There it is. Good girl. That's my purebred lab. Good purebred lab. And the Steel. Ooh, not this time. These are precious moments I'm capturing right now.